Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss about the best AI video generator tool. Here you can go and type Seedance.app. This one is the website that you can use to create videos. Click here. Now you can select the model 2.0 as well as 1.5. You can generate the video from the text as well as you can add the reference image from your laptop. For example, let me type create a video of flying taxi. After that you can select the aspect ratio. This one is landscape, portrait as well as square. Here you can select the duration, then select the resolution, and it will cost 25 credits. So now we need to create a free account. You need to use your Gmail account. Scroll down and allow access. Okay, now we can add the prompt here. Then click on this button, generate video. Click here, continue button, and this will consume 25 credits. Now 5 credits are remaining, so you can test it. After that you can upgrade. Here you can check the pricing package. I can open it. Now scroll down, so you can select this one, monthly package. You will get 500 credits per month by getting this package, and here you will get all of the features that are listed here. Here you can see video is ready. Now I can play it. So full HD video and copyright free video. You can easily get this video in your laptop by clicking this button. Okay, thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.